I was gonna warn you, but I thought you heard it for yourself.
By the time I'd heard it, I had already started.
Well, no, Chibi, back up. Back up, Chibi.
You know what, Trevor? I want out.
Javelin, you know you can javelin those zombie walls away, right? Yeah.
The diffuser has been recovered.
Be the hard counter you were meant to be, alright? See, look, now she's throwing another one. She's panicking. She's scared. Throw another one. Hit her with another one. Let her know she ain't safe, bro.
Alright, Trevor, I'm out.
You're bad. You missed.
That's all you, Chibi. Here, I'll watch from above. I'll watch the diffuser from above.
Wait, Cameron, what kind of cereal is that over
There's a
there?
guy in there.
Cameron, look left. Oh god. This man is lost.